Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by pulling down the notification bar, one swipe on phones with large displays, two swipes on some models. Once the quick settings appear, find the airplane icon labeled Flight Mode or Airplane. This toggles all radios. If you don't see it, tap the Edit or Pencil control to customize tiles, then drag Flight Mode into the visible row. Doing this saves time for future toggles and prevents errors when you need connectivity back fast. Once done, tap the airplane icon to switch flight mode off. You'll see the tile change color or state, and you should begin to regain radios. Make sure to watch the status bar. Cellular bars, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth icons will reappear as systems reactivate. If some radios don't return, manually toggle Wi-Fi or Bluetooth from the same quick panel. This ensures you get the exact connection you need, rather than relying solely on the global airplane toggle. Finish by validating connections inside Settings. Go to Network and Internet or Connections to confirm mobile data and Wi-Fi are enabled and showing networks. If signals remain missing, restart your phone. A reboot often reinitializes radio hardware. Make sure to update your OS and apps, and if that fails, reset network settings as a next step. If you still have no service, contact your carrier, sometimes provisioning or SIM issues, not flight mode. Block connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.